All right, guys, we got lucky. We got looks like an intermodal mixed freight, and we have ourselves another train. We're gonna get ourselves a meet here. We got lucky here. Let's see, that sounds like an ET44 leading. It looks like a T4 with a no hump boxcar. All right. Oh, there's the lights. Do not hump. Oh, yep. Here we go. Got the intermodal mix. Oh, it's just intermodal. And we got a CSX freight. There we go, guys. It's mixed freight. And an AC-44 trailing. We got lucky here. This is just crazy. Look at the shot. Oh, this is going to be a long one here. It's starting to drizzle. Lucky to even get this. I didn't think that was possible. Oh, NS. This is possible. I feel like he's... Uh-oh, low battery. It looks like he's slowing down. It feels like he's slowing down because there's an Amtrak 80's coming, so he's gonna have to give it a clear signal.